sa PMA, may sweldo na kayo. Libre uniforme mo, libre libro, may tuition ka. Pag graduate mo, may trabaho ka na kagad, officer ka pa. Tapos kasama pa sa retirement mo yan. Sumasweldo ka hanggang tumaas ka. Pag nag-retire ka, may retirement ka. Kompleto ka. Tapos kukunin ka pa sa gobyerno. Ang sarap naman ng buhay. Lahat ng ngayon magsusundan. Diba? Even doctors are not assured of that. Nurses are not assured of that. Diba? Now, it's their fortune. See, please do not cut my statement. It is their fortune. If they're qualified, yes. Trump uses retired generals. And at the same time, there are limitations. And that's something I'm going to look at. Pag nag-retire ka, wala muna 3 years. 3 years muna bago kayo point. Yan ang tinitingnan ko.
Pero you have this bill? Not yet.
Oh, I have it. I have it. Hindi ko pinafile.
3 years after
At least
your
3 years.
retirement.
Kasi, para mapahinga ka muna. Mawala na yung ties mo. The ties that bind. Diba?
Okay.
May ties that bind yan eh.